Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. My name's Tracy. Today I want to share with you guys a super secret, top secret recipe that we make our own taco seasoning with. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is run inside here and get a bunch of ingredients to make this seasoning. One part garlic powder, 1 part onion powder, 1 part crushed red pepper flakes, 1 part dried oregano, 2 parts paprika, 6 parts ground cumin, 3 parts sea salt, 4 parts black pepper, 12 parts chili powder. We're actually making a bulk batch, so we're starting out with 3 cups of chili powder, 1 cup black pepper, 3/4 cup salt, 1½ cups ground cumin, 1/2 cup paprika. For an added bonus, you can use smoked paprika. That makes it awesome flavor. 1/4 cup dried oregano. 1/4 cup crushed red pepper flakes. 1/4 cup onion powder. 1/4 cup garlic powder. One reason why I hated buying, like, say, McCormick brand prepackaged taco seasoning is because it had all sorts of ingredients in it that I didn't need to consume. Stuff like tricalcium phosphate, aluminum, silicon dioxide, sulfating agents, and even natural flavors. Who knows what that means? So it was time for us to come up with our own family recipe, and we've kept this a secret for a while, and it's time to share it with you guys. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I really hope you found this video resourceful and educational, whether you make a big batch or a small batch. And remember, we are right in the middle of a 4-hat giveaway for our 2,000 subscribers. And we thank you. We're giving away some Farm Alarm hats just like this with the chicken logo on it and the YouTube logo on the side. If you have not seen the details on that, I will leave a link to that video, to the starting video right here. And basically, it's super easy. All you got to do is leave a comment and share the video and hit the thumbs up button on all 6 videos we put out this week, starting last Sunday to this Friday. And deadline to go back to do that on all 6 videos is going to be this Saturday, March 31st. That way we can draw all 4 winners this coming Sunday, April 1st. Again, we thank you guys for watching, and let us know in the comment section below if you have tried this, or if you plan on trying it, or when you make it, what you think of the recipe. Again, thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.